what is the difference between incident and defect? So the brief and shortest answer for this is that incident is a defect or bug only when the root cause of that incident is some problem with the item being tested, right? So whatever you are testing, whatever application you are testing, software you are testing, if the problem is within that particular application, whether it is because of the mismatch of the requirement or the gap in the requirement, or there is some error when you are launching the application, when you are putting some information, submitting the information, any of the functionality. So for example, if we take the e-commerce website, right? So you are trying to log in and then trying to order some items from the website. When you go to the payment or checkout, you are getting payment failure or error, abrupt error. So if that is the scenario, that is basically what the defect is. Okay, so a defect can also be a gap or mismatch in the requirement. It's not only that only the software that you are testing, there could be a defect. A defect could be in the requirement. The requirement might not be captured properly, or there will be incorrect information in the requirement, which can be flushed out when the team works together and more clarity is available from the tech stakeholder, from the business stakeholder, right? Now, incident is any sort of incident or mismatch from the actual with the expected, which could be, there could be many reasons. There could be reason because the test data that is being used is not correct. Now, if the test data that is being used to test something is not correct, that is not a defect because it's a issue with the test data, right? It's nothing to do with the actual implementation of the software. The software is fine. The steps or the data that the tester or the person is following itself is not correct, right? Or maybe the person is not testing the application in the right test environment. So any of this can lead to an incident, right? And that incident will get converted to a defect only if the root cause is the actual issue with the software or with any of the requirement or design. Okay, so that's the basic difference between incident and defect. Okay.